everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment called lava flows. For this experiment, we need a fizzy tablet, red pigment, a measuring cup, a conical flask, and the extra materials are cooking oil and water. The cooking oil is in here and the water is here. We are using this plate for the experiment so our floor won't get dirty. First of all, we are going to add 50 ml of water and 130 ml of cooking oil. Now we are going to add the red color as much as we want. Now we are going to put the fizzy tablet into the flask. At the bottom of the conical flask gradually rises upwards in a beautiful and spectacular lava. Now I'm going to read the scientific principle. The fizzy tablet produces carbon dioxide gas when it comes in contact with the water. When enough carbon dioxide gas has been accumulated, the carbon dioxide gas carries the colored water out of the oil layer, reaching up the top of the oil and eventually overflowing into the air. This in turn creates a spectacular resembling volcanic lava. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.